In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted ChatGPT chats. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Many of us have been in the situation where we accidentally delete a conversation that we wish we could retrieve. Luckily, there are steps you can take to get those chats back. So grab your device and let's start. First, the very first step is to open your browser and head over to ChatGPT's official website. Simply type in chatgpt.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's user-friendly, and we'll navigate it together. Now, when you're on ChatGPT, look for the settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear icon, and it can usually be found in the corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to a whole new array of options that you can customize to enhance your experience. Once you're in the settings menu, your next step is to look for the section labeled Data Controls. This section is crucial because it contains options related to your account data, and that includes chat history. After clicking on Data Controls, you should see various options provided by ChatGPT. If you've been proactive and backed up your account in the past, you might have the opportunity to export your old chats. To do this, find the option for exporting data within the Data Controls section. If you followed the right procedures for backups, this option will allow you to download your previous chat data directly to your device. As you proceed, ensure that you carefully follow the prompts. Sometimes, there may be additional verification steps, such as confirming your email or logging back into your ChatGPT account if you've been logged out. It's all part of keeping your data secure. If you don't have a backup, I understand how frustrating that can be. Unfortunately, there's no straightforward way to recover chats that were deleted and are not backed up, since ChatGPT doesn't store individual chat histories due to privacy policies. However, it's always a good practice for the future to periodically back up your important conversations. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to recover deleted ChatGPT chats. Remember, the key steps are to visit the ChatGPT website, access your settings, and manage your data through the controls available. If you invest a little time now in figuring out how to back up your chats, it could save you a lot of hassle down the road. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. This helps us create more content to assist you in your digital journey. If you have any questions or if there's something more you want to learn about, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Happy chatting, and I hope you can recover everything you need.